Hi, and welcome to another Blender generate modifiers video. So for this one, we're going to go to the wireframe. We're skipping over volume to mesh and weld because I need to do some research, but those will be available maybe in a week or so or more when this video comes out. Actually, probably in a while because these are tricky, at least for me. But yeah, wireframe. So select wireframe with your object, and you get this nice, cool mesh. Sorry, wireframe. Let's play with it a little bit so you can see what's going on. All right. So increase the thickness like that. I would probably just stick to something like that. Offset. Let's see. This is offset thickness from the center. Boundary, let's see, support face boundaries. That remove original geometry. It does. Okay. You need to keep that on to actually get that wireframe. And then even, so for even thickness just means it's even throughout the entire thing, and then for relative just means it's offset by the surrounding geometry. So when you select that, you gotta increase the thickness like that. But this is really cool. So one thing I would recommend is, like, let's say you have a really a sick design or whatever, generate the STL, I think, and then print this on your 3D printer, and it's pretty, looks like it'd be pretty awesome. You probably have to have a lot of support though. That's the only issue I see coming out here. And you might have to increase for certain small parts. This is all derived from the geometry you already have. So all these faces, stuff like that. So think big, think thick, and think wireframe as you design something that you want printed with this wireframe look. That's pretty much it. Thanks for listening, and yeah, sorry this is so short. That's as much as I can think of for now. All right.